Hello everyone. So myself Aditya and I am going to present our product for the problem statement generatifying legal document using Google Cloud and its services. So what I am presenting to you right now is our interface or the main landing page that you can use that is totally hosted using Google Cloud platform itself. So first of all, let's start with our interface. So basically this is you can view it as you want in the dark or light mode. Let's get to functionality first. So how does it work? If you click on the sign in button, you will be either you will have to create your account first, but as I have already created my account, I will just click on sign in. I will use my Gmail and then password, which is 1234567 to just simply sign into my account. Now let's first see, it will take some time to sign in. It will take around 5 to 10 seconds. But now let's get to how basically our platform works. So basically on the interface part, basically what is happening is you upload the document, which goes through a text extraction feature that uses mu PDF that stores the extracted feature in the Google Cloud storage, and then the analysis of clause happens using LegalBird embedding and hybrid search. The search engine, how does the hybrid search engine works? Basically it finds the keyword that is being matched, it stores it using KNN vector search. Basically the analysis and risk is then categorized using three factors, that is first being the high, second being the medium, and third being low. Basically the highest being critical, which is above 80%. We are basically using the top 5 SEBI regulations per clauses that they have also provided, and you can check it on the SEBI platform itself. So let's move on how the 5 regulations or clauses are being analyzed. We are using Vertex AI Gemini Pro verification, where Gemini Pro or Vertex provides a lot of good features that we are using. First is to check the compliance, then map the regulations, then give a very good risk analysis scoring, and then explain the generated outcome in a very profiled way. Also, when these things are done, then the API endpoints are being hit using Google BigQuery storage. The dashboard gives us a very good result based on the compliance trends, violation that had occurred, the risk that have been found, and using the pipeline status, different pipeline status. First of all, we use Favicon, but now we are using Vertex itself, and we are mapping it using BigQuery for API endpoint generation, which gives a real-time dashboard front-end analysis. Now, getting back to the real-time dashboard front-end. So here is the dashboard overview. So basically there are four main options that we are currently focusing on. That first feature being the upload document, second being the due document, the third being the analytics, and fourth being the report that are based on the compliance rate or the risk factor that we have analyzed. So here on the total documents we have uploaded is 14, the processed is 14 also, and the compliance rate is 75.5% with the average score of 75.2, and the highest risk items that are 2. Now so getting back to the documents, now there are total of 15 documents, 15 are completed and an average score of 15.5. So let's suppose I go to a document and I click analyze. Now we are able to see what are the things that are happening. There are 2 complaints that we need to focus on that needs to be fixed in this. Total of 8 clauses were analyzed in this. Total of 8 clauses were being hit by using the SEBI regulation system, and out of which 6 are non-compliant and only 2 are compliant. As you can see on a document, if you click on analysis, you can check the document analysis itself, or if you want to see the overview of everything, that every document that we have uploaded so far, this is the details that you can see. There are a total of 15 documents and 120 clauses have been hit using the database, and 73.5% are compliant with 2 high-risk documents and total of 37 violations. You can see the trends also of how risk, if we want to change, you can update it using the notification, and the timeline you can basically, if you want, you can do it on a later based on 15, 5, 7, 3, whatever you want to make changes in, you can update it also. You can see the basically counts of the number of high risk analysis as well as AI recommendation. Let's suppose there was a review of high document where priority of analyzing the document was flagged as high risk. You can get an expected score of reducing compliance violation by 30% if you fix this in your document. That's it. If you want, you can use it live. You can use my email as shown in the video to get the insight of what is happening in this. Thank you.